check this out, guys. We have a Dodge Avenger in the shop, guys, and it's a 2.4 liter. And I think the alternator in this thing is shot. So let's see if it's really the alternator that's the problem or something else. So one way to tell is to have a battery jumper like this, or you can use a multimeter. So we have a battery jumper, and then the car's at 2.4 volts right now. Let's start it and let's see what happens. See how much volts it jumps up to and see how long it runs for. Oh, see, super dead, guys. Down to 12.0 volts. All right, 11.9. All right, so now it's getting juice. We have good volts. The volts is at 13.3. Let's see if it drops down. Let's get rid of the fear. Let's take the jumper. Let's take one of the jumper off. Let's take that. Let's see if the volts drop. And you guys can see the volts are slowly dropping. So that's one way to tell the